Hello everyone, this is Tom. Today I'm gonna show you how to embed Lottie files on a WordPress website. These days, more and more places accept Lottie animations. However, to give you the best experience, we have developed a free WordPress plugin that lets you insert and customize animated Lottie icons in the blink of an eye. Once you install the Lordicon plugin in your WordPress panel, you can notice no Lordicon tab in the side menu. This happens because we use a Gutenberg editor as a platform to host our plugin. It works the best with Lottie files as it gives immediate feedback after changing colors or setting different animation triggers. It is essential to note that it doesn't mean that the Gutenberg post is the only place to use the plugin. We provide a shortcode option that lets you embed those icons directly to web builders such as Divi, Elementor or custom themes. Let's start with uploading some icons. First, go to the Lordicon library and download icons you would like to use. I have created an icon collection before, so I'll go ahead and download the entire group. Then you upload Lottie JSONs directly to your media library. Perfect. Now let's create a test Gutenberg post. You click Posts, Add New, then click plus sign and search for the Lordicon element. A test icon has been added. Now let's increase its size to make it bigger. On that level, we can adjust the colors and stroke size. We do it simply by toggling those controls and changing them. Now it's a good time to set an animation trigger. For example, would you like the icon to animate on hover, click, or maybe loop with a 2 seconds delay between each loop? Set it up correctly to achieve the best user experience. Okay, let's walk through the possible animation triggers. The first one is the none, which presents only the first frame of the animation. The click trigger plays animation from the first to the last frame after clicking on the icon. Hover plays animation from first to the last frame after hovering on the icon. Loop plays animation from the first to the last frame infinitely, without any interactions needed. Does animation plays too often? Set a delay time to add a break between each loop. The delay is defined in milliseconds, so to add 2-second delay, type 2000. Loop on hover animation trigger works the same as loop trigger, but only when the cursor is over the icon. Once the cursor is off the icon, the animation stops. Here you can set delay as well. The morph animation trigger is reserved for animated icons that has unique first and last frame. As long as the cursor is over the icon, an animation plays from the first to the last frame. Once you hover off the icon, the animation goes back from last to the first frame. The last trigger is morph to way, which triggers animation after hovering on the icon. The animation plays from the first to the last frame and then immediately goes back from the last to the first frame, imitating a hover trigger for a morph type icons. Okay, with this icon I want to stay with a simple loop animation trigger. If you'd like to change the icon, you don't need to set all these parameters from scratch. The only thing you need to do is select a new icon from the list and adjust the color. You can also add icons without hosting them in Media Library. Simply go to the Lordicon, select an icon you'd like to use, click Embed Code, copy icon URL and paste it in the plugin URL segment. As you can see, it loads automatically. A cool thing is that you can also use your own animated graphics with Lordicon controls. So here is my custom animated icon. As you can see, color, stroke or size works the same as with other icons. Once you are happy with the adjustments, you can either save your Gutenberg post or head into the shortcode section, copy the code and embed it as a block in your Divi, Elementor or any other website project, including custom themes. Okay, I'm going to copy the shortcode and test it with Elementor. We are in Elementor, so now let's search and drag and drop a new shortcode section. All we need to do now is paste the shortcode and voila! It works like that. If you'd like to change the animation to hover, you can come back to Gutenberg editor or modify the custom code directly by typing different trigger name. So after hovering, you have a different animation trigger. You can also change it to click or any other trigger. You can also play with the color palette or stroke size directly from a shortcode. So yes, this is how the Lordicon WordPress plugin works. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment down below or just contact us via lordicon.com. It was a pleasure to guide you, and till the next time, take care!